Hello, friend. Mormo here. I'm at Branson Meadows Mall. I'm about to get my injection. Just thought I'd make a little video today. I'm not sure what I'm gonna have to eat. I may go to the food court, or I may go to Bob Evans, but Mr. Glenn Cho's is closed on Mondays, so I can't go to Mr. Glenn Cho's. But anyways, I'm about to get my injection, so keep watching. Hello, friend. I got my injection, and for some crazy reason, it bled a lot. There was a lot of blood when I got my injection. I don't know why, but now I'm here at the food court. And you can see there's the boba place. I'm not sure what this is. Hello. Pappy Max Cajun Smokehouse. Oh, this is the Cajun place. Nice. Here's the menu. Wow, this looks awesome. Wow. I'm gonna eat here. Keep watching. So here's the Venezuelan place. I really want to try that. I don't think I've ever had Venezuelan food, so I'm really looking forward to trying that. But today I got the Cajun food, the tri-tip meal, which was a tri-tip sandwich with the full order of Cajun corn puppies. And I'm really looking forward to it. They gave me this little beeper that will beep when my order is ready, and really looking forward to trying this thing, so keep watching. Okay, friends, so I got my food, and let's go ahead and dig in. There's 2 styrofoam containers. Oh wow, these look good. These must be the Cajun corn puppies. Oh my god. They have sausage inside. They're so good. There's a dipping sauce, so I'm gonna try the dipping sauce. The dipping sauce is very smoky and just a little bit spicy, but these corn pops are so good with the sausage inside. I know I recorded the menu, so hopefully you saw what they were called. I'm not being a very good food host right now because I don't remember what those things were called, other than I think they were called corn puppies. Oh wow, this sandwich is so hot. It's wrapped in aluminum foil and it's very, very hot. I might have to let it cool down. Dang, I wish I had something to drink. I should probably go get a boba. But the bobas are pretty expensive. They're like $7. So here's my tri-tip sandwich. And it comes on a bun with sesame seeds, and there's an onion on there. I got some cheese on my fingers. Mmm. Oh my gosh, this is so good. It's a little challenging to eat just because it's so hot. I'm gonna let it cool down. I'm gonna go get a boba. I'll be right back. Keep watching. Here's the menu for the boba place. I think I'm gonna get a watermelon blended with custard added. That sounds good to me. Okay, friend, I'm back. I got my boba tea, and I got it a little different this time. I got a blended watermelon with custard, and so I don't think I've ever had a blended boba before. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Wow, it's incredible. And now I'll finish my tri-tip sandwich. It was a little hard to eat because it was so hot, and then you have to chew through the meat. But oh man, is it delicious. This is so good. Wow, this sandwich is incredible. Really good value too. It was like $12.50 for the sandwich and the puppies. And those corn puppies are delicious, man. With the sausage in the middle, I recommend everybody try them. Definitely try the tri-tip sandwich. Wow. Man, my mouth is watering. This is so good. Incredible. Can't recommend the tri-tip sandwich enough. It was delicious. It was a great value. These little corn puppies are also incredible. I like to dip them in the sauce. And this is a filling meal. At first I was afraid it wouldn't be enough, but the meat and everything is so good, and the sausage and these corn puppies is just so rich and everything. Really incredible food. Just A+. And this boba is so good. The watermelon with the custard and blended is very good. To get it blended, very delicious, and it is kind of a warm day today. Bobas are worth it because it's like a beverage and a dessert, and it's delicious. It's so good. Wow, incredible meal. I love the food truck court so much. I can't wait to try Venezuelan food. I'm really looking forward to that. My mom and my grandma are going to be here soon, and they're really excited to try out the food court and the new options and stuff. So we'll definitely have to have Cajun food again and Venezuelan food. I'm sure the Mexican food is very good as well, but I'm kind of like spoiled by El Poblano. If I want Mexican, I'll just go to El Poblano. But definitely love the food truck court, and it's been an awesome day, and keep watching. Okay, friends, so I made it home safe and sound. And man, that food was so delicious. And I'm so glad I got my injection out of the way and everything. But be sure and check out the links in the description. I'm going to link to my Gumroad store. You can buy some of my videos. It's name whatever price you want to pay, minimum $1. So you can get like my feature length videos for only $1. Unless you want to give more, that's all up to you. And then I'll post a link to my MLM, which is really awesome. And I'll also post a link to my eBay store. I think I got a couple of art cards still up for sale, and I got a couple of DVDs up for sale, and I'm not gonna do DVDs for very much longer. So if you want DVDs, jump on them now, and thanks so much.